Hi, sweetheart. Are you one of my girls are here?
No. I'm just all by myself at my house.
You're all by yourself? Your mommy's not there?
No one's there.
Where's Grandma?
She's gone.
Grandma's not downstairs?
What about CJ?
CJ's gone too?
Yeah, with his friend. He had to go to softball.
Oh my goodness. Alethia, do you have a phone number memorized I can call your mom?
No. I don't know my mom's phone number.
My mom we're texting her to see if she'll drive up there. Alethia?
Yes?
I'm going to hang up the phone for a minute, but I can still see you, okay? I'm going to call somebody and see if they'll come get you. So stay right there on the porch, okay, sweetheart?
Okay.